Here it is.
The little counter.
Dance. Come on.
Dance.
You dance?
Pretty girl dancing. Up.
Here, come on. Here we go. Up, up, up.
Let's do it. Come on, girl. There you go.
Up high. Up high.
All right, there.
Yeah, you got it.
Pretty. Very nice. You do good. Where did you learn to dance like that, dog?
Want to? Angel, dance for us. Still looking for pieces.
What's your dog's name?
My name's Angel.
Taz?
Dad.
Here's our angel.
Yeah, let's dance. Let's dance. Look. Are you getting it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
You recording it?
look at her
Yeah.
dance. Look at you're gonna make you a prima ballerina.
See this little
If I send you to the Juilliard, go
counter
dance.
thing. There's a counter thing in the
Okay, you ready?
Where?
little time.
Oh.
Time for mom. Okay, right here. I'm gonna do it again. Come on.
Go ahead.
Are you ready? Is it on?
Yeah.
Time. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that girl dance. I've never seen anybody dance so good. My name's Angel, and I love to dance. Come on. Up here. Good. Up here. There she goes. That's that dancing girl. That's the dancing girl I know. Look at her dance. Oh, wow. You're a great dancer. Let me do it again now. Okay, ready? Ready to dance? Oh, you love dancing. You love dancing. This way. No.
I have to do it like this.
There you go. There you go. There it is. Look at that girl dance.
Sideways.
Dance some more. Oh,
Looks really
what a
trippy when
good
you watch it.
girl. He's just so pretty.
How do you zoom on this thing? Does this fit?
Nice.
Oh, here it is. This is it.
All right,
That's
now
it.
can you?
Right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Come on. Take her.
Anyway, there's a little bit of a zoom.
Here. That's a girl.
Oh, very nice. Where's this at? Angel.
Here, stand. Stand. Oh, yeah, come on. Dance. Come on, dance.
Okay.
Dance for brother.
Oh, there. Right now.
That's what it says. That's what it is.
Pinchy.
Yes, no.
But it should just,
Get that.
this should work up to, oh, there it goes.
That's when she did her best one. I don't know if you were taking a picture.
Oh, it's got color too.
See?
You can change the color a little bit.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, we got a great. Look at the picture you just took.
Okay.